Gautam Adani and Narendra Modi. These two are the names that have become the most favorite amongst a section of people, to be precise, since January 24th, 2023. So we all know on 24th of January, Hindenburg Research released a report that had allegations on the way Adani shares are performing in the market. So this resulted in the steep downfall of Adani share price from 19,20,000 crores to 6,80,000 crores. That means 36,500 crores per day, 1,500 crores per hour. So this steep decline in Adani's share price gave a beautiful chance to certain section of people to say that Adani is nothing but a bundle of misappropriation, fake businesses and wrongdoings. Of course, this did shake the image of India very badly in international markets too. So when a disqualified MP said that the shell companies in Mauritius that invested in Adani Group, we could see that Mauritius Financial Services Minister in their parliament openly announcing that there were no shell companies operating out of Mauritius. So this means this entire Hindenburg research, Adani share price falling, is nothing but a part of toolkit to dismantle a system or dismantle an industrialist who through Adani Ports, Adani Transmission, Adani Enterprises, Adani Greens and many other businesses wanted to generate jobs and to add to the economic progress of the country. What pleasure do you get by dismantling an industrialist who really want the progress of country? What pleasure you get by trying to corner a prime minister of a country who has been chosen by its own citizen? And of course, another MP, Mahua Moitra, in her series of tweets to SEBI, asked that what was SEBI doing while Adani was doing nothing but misappropriation of funds, artificial trading, abusive trading. This probed Supreme Court and SEBI into having deep inquiries to the allegations done by Hindenburg. So Adani faced two inquiries, one from SEBI and one from the special committee by the Supreme Court. So this special committee of Supreme Court comprised of 6 distinguished people. Those are 2 Supreme Court judges, 1 Supreme Court lawyer, and Shri K.V. Kamath, who headed ICICI Bank, Shri O.P. Bhatt, who was the former chairman of SBI, and none other than the famous Nandan Nilekani of Aadhaar fame. Why is these members very important? We all know whenever Supreme Court forms any committee, there would be a certain section of people who would oppose the appointment of these committee members. But these are the committee members who are distinguished committee members who have no black mark in their careers. So this committee gave a special report on Adani Group's business pattern. The committee answered all of the allegations of Hindenburg in its report. Let us see a few of them here. In page 4, point number 9, when Hindenburg said that Adani price was not stable, the committee said Adani price was stable and nearly in the reprice level. And in page 4 and point 10, the committee noticed that there is an increase in the retail investors' exposure to Adani shares in January 2023. In page 8 and point 20, for the allegations of Hindenburg on minimum public shareholding, Vinod Adani and related companies transaction and stock price manipulation, the committee answered that of the 13 overseas entities, including 12 foreign portfolio investors, there was no proof that these companies did the internal transaction to it. Plus, there was no proof. Plus, Adani Business Group maintained the minimum public shareholding as per to the approved levels. In page 10.27, the committee notes that the suspicion aroused in this case, in the former 3 cases, can be put to rest. That means whatever the allegations done by Hindenburg report is nothing but purely a fake or imaginative. And in page 15, point number 40 and 42, the committee says that there were 849 alerts generated in the system on Adani stocks, and it was noted that the pattern of artificial trading was not found. And also there was no coherent pattern of abuse in trading found. This means that the allegation of Hindenburg report nothing but purely a lie and fake. In March, GQG partners bought shares worth billions from Adani, and to cap it all, LIC, Life Insurance Corporation of India, that is LIC, bought 3,57,500 shares of Adani Group in March, which means that if LIC buys 1 share, the company's business is always clean. So if we can imagine LIC buying 3,57,500 shares means it's a clean certificate for Adani Group that its businesses are clean. The dream of a cabal to bring down an industrialist who, through his various businesses, wanted to bring employment, economic growth, prosperity, and the real progress to the country was ruthlessly squashed by the Supreme Court by this report given by the special committee. So I would say next time form a better toolkit that would not squash your dreams so badly.